Hello and welcome to Kalpa Creations by Ruchita. Today we are going to make Rajgiryachi kadhi. This kadhi is very nice when you want to eat gluten-free and you don't like to have besan, then it is very nice. Let's see how to make it. This is Rajgira. You can call it amaranth seeds also. So I want to make its powder. So I will take it in a grinder. You can see it looks very small millet, and you can get a powder from store. So I like to grind it fresh in my mixie. Here you can see it is not very powdery, but it is okay if you get store bought powder. Now here I have taken cumin seeds, ginger and green chili. You can make this curry for fasting also. So when you don't want to have peanut, coconut or any sabudana, then this is very light on stomach, and you can have this with khichdi or just like that in winter days. Here I have added all the ingredients like green chili, ginger, cumin seeds, and I am adding half cup of yogurt, homemade yogurt. You can see it is thick paste, just like how we make the kadhi using besan. This is very easy recipe and very good to have in winter days. If you don't want to cook, this is just one pot meal. Here I am taking little bit amount of ghee just to crackle the cumin seeds in it. You can see here we are adding jeera, cumin seeds. Now I have added a lot of water in this batter. So literally I am adding 3 cups of water in that paste. We want very watery batter to make this kadhi, and you have to stir it whole time so that it will not stick to the bottom of the pan and the curry will be thick. You will know that curry is ready when it is thick. Here I am fast forwarding the process. You can see I have kept it on high, but when it is on high flame, you have to keep stirring it continuously. Now in this, instead of water, you can add coconut milk if you like. It will also give some creamy taste and sweetish taste. You can see right now it is very thin. You can replace green chilies with black pepper if green chilies are very spicy for you. I am adding salt to taste now. I had this curry for fasting, so that's why I am not adding anything else. This is just 5 or 6 ingredients recipe. Very nice to have in winter days, and if you make it little thicker, we call it ambil, which is good for health. When you don't feel good under the weather, then this is a perfect thing to have hot, and you can add some vegetables in it and make it like a soup without adding any maida or cornstarch to that soup. So here I have added little bit of sugar just to balance the taste of yogurt, and you can see it is getting thicker but not yet that thick how I want it. So I will make it more. Now you can see it is looking little thicker, and as soon as it will get cooled down, it will get more thicker. So here our kadhi is ready to be served. I hope you like this recipe. You can serve this curry with the Rajgira pops on top. Hope you like this video. Please like, subscribe and share if you like this video, and let me know your comments in the comment box if you like it. Thank you. Bye bye. Meet you in the next session.